Do you have a great business idea, but don't know where to start? Introducing Business Model Canvas, the app created for entrepreneurs, startups, and visionaries like you. In just minutes, you can visualize, structure, and validate your business model. No complications, no endless spreadsheets. Use an intuitive and professional canvas to define your value proposition, your key customers, your channels, your revenue streams, and much more. The best part? Everything is right at your fingertips. Plan, edit, and share directly from your phone. Whether you're starting a new idea or improving an existing business, this app helps you focus on what really matters, creating value and growing. Join thousands of entrepreneurs already using Business Model Canvas to take their ideas to the next level. Download the app now on Google Play and turn your ideas into real sustainable business models. Business Model Canvas. Your business starts here.